Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a magic mixie and a toy mini rand for an unboxing today. Please comment down below what you guys, if you guys like these videos or what you guys want to see me open, because I have no idea. But before I get into anything, comment, leave a like on this video if you like what I have in here. How many rares do you think I'm gonna get? Comment below how many rares do you think I'm gonna get. I have a feeling this might be a legendary. I could be wrong though. I'm not sure. But without further ado, subscribe, and I think we should open this one. I feel like we should open this one today. Let's see how this goes. How well will this tear strip work for me today? Ooh. That tear strip worked out actually pretty well today. Is there another? There's another tear strip on here. My no nails is doing good today. That was a tear strip's fault. I don't think I'm used to seeing the yellow ball. I'm used to having the white one. Okay, so I got all the plastic off, but now I can't open the ball. Gimme. Thank you. Eeny, meeny, miny, you. Aww. It's a littlest pet shop boat. That is so cute. Okay. I just want to focus. I'll show it better when I got the end of the video. Let's see. We'll go here. What's this? Oh, it's the bloom. Like the little bloom dolls. That is cool. It's a little bloom doll. Next, we'll go here. What is this? Pets Alive Chirpy Birds. I love how it has like little gold feet. I wonder if that's a rare because it has gold feet. I don't know. Comment below if you think this might be a rare because of the gold feet. Don't know. Put you right there. Finally, the checklist. Oh my goodness. We got, okay, so in this one, we have the checklist, which is like this. And then not only did we get, oh, we got baby 20s. The little 20s. They're so cute. Oh, we got a poppet. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. Oh, wait. Gotta listen. I hope you can hear that. I don't know if you can. It's so tiny. it has good pops though, but that is so small and so cute. My nieces are gonna freaking love this. Holy cow. That's a lot of them. Okay, let's see. I think yeah, I think it's just a common. Yeah, it's a common. This little guy is a common. He's not a rare. He's not a rare. I was about to say, I was like, I know I didn't open all of these. And final one. It's kinetic sand. I freaking love kinetic sand. That stuff is so fun to play with. I don't... Work with me, ball. Work with me. Thank you. Put that right. Oh my god. I almost lost the Chirpy. Almost lost them. And next, let me put some of these away, so I do not lose them and I have room for the next. Oops. For the next thing, which is this lovely mixing. You have a tester? I don't. Oh, also the toy brands was a series 3. I've opened the Disney mini brand, the toy brands. I've opened the regular mini brands, or the foodie brands, the regular mini brands, and the Disney ones. But I've never seen those ones. This tear strip does not want to work for me today. Probably doesn't help that I don't have any nails. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got it a little bit, and then we'll just... That was a loud rip-off. They look like this. I know on the what was it, first series ones, the purple, yeah, the purple cauldrons, you used to be able to rub this to like see if it was like a rare or common or anything like that, but this one you can't. I wish they had that on all of them though, because it'd be so much funner. But you just pop this off, and it comes like this, and in here it comes like that. Sorry, my nose is itching. And then you have this little cup. Had the little cup. Don't worry, I caught it. It's okay. And it comes with this little potion bag. Now, I know for this, because I've opened a couple of them, you do need water. But don't worry. I got water. I came prepared. I came prepared. And all you do is you just tear this open like this. And you take your little mix thing. You can open this up. You just kind of pour. I probably should have done this like. I'm trying to like do this here. Let me do it like right here. And you just pour all of it. Oh god. Well, mostly all of it from what you can get out of the packet. Okay. I'm guessing that's all of it. Any more in there? No? Okay. So the one is like this. I just kind of like shake it basically. I think like, to be honest, I think what's in this is just like baking soda, but I could be wrong. And then I basically just smeared around like that. And then, where'd the instructions go? Oh, here they are. From what the instructions say is you open the packet, pour it on top, and then you add 2 scoops of water to the top of this. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go like this. Put the water right there. Try not to spill this water, because oops. Try not to spill the water. Meanwhile, I drop the little cup into the water. Didn't spill the water. Also didn't keep a hold of the cup either. And then you just pour it on top. And it sizzles. That looks so... It's smoking. I don't know if you guys can see it. That one smoked. That was so cool. It says you have to do 2. So, following the instructions. 2. And it looks like that. Just gonna put that back in there. The water over there so I don't lose that. I'm not trying to spill the water. It looks like this, but it says do not remove. Add ingredients and water. I added the water. I wonder if it's just like not enough water. Like, oh, this one's different. This one doesn't have the... This one's weird. This one's a lot different than the other ones I've opened. This one, okay, so the ones that I've opened before always had the, like, they always had like a plastic in here with like a question mark on it. And this one doesn't. I wonder if they're not supposed to. By the way, if you want to know what I was just throwing outside the window, I just took the little thing off there because it was pushing up through it anyway. Oh, it's not. I need to take you out. I'm not trying to look at it because I don't think it's not a blind bag. I can't get it out of there. I can't get it out. Okay, so we're gonna put this in there, and then we're gonna take this part out. I'm gonna pour the water back in the cup because I don't need the water in there. I'm gonna put that over there because there's 2 bags, and that one I already know has the character in it. They're all water. Okay, so let's get the bag open if I can. I already know I'm going to love this one because of the wand. The wand looks like a like a key, like that. Last time I got a wand like that, it was a what was it? It was a oh, it was the Luckling. That's what it was. Because they're kind of like fortune tellers. And the craziest thing is, I have my tarot cards. Okay, so you can collect. There is 4 types. There is the glowlings, the lucklings, the aqua changes. This one is the loxies, and the flutterflies. The glowlings say charge their glow to guide you in the dark. So the glowlings must glow in the dark. Lucklings cast a spell to reveal your lucky fortune. Loxies charge them up and flick their locks. Aqua changes cast a water spell to change their color, so their color changing. And then you have the flutterflyers, reveal angel wings and soar sky high. And then you have a limited edition magic potion truck, light up treehouse. I mean, I'll show the checklist when I'm done with seeing which one we have. And for the final reveal, well, that really tells a whole lot. These bags are so... Hey, you know what? I wonder if they have like a tear strip on them. Do they have a tear strip? They do not. They need to have tear strips on them because it'd be so much easier to open them if they did. Dry them off. And the one we have is... Oh! We got the elephant! That's so adorable. I really love these. Hey, it's a fortune teller and I have my tarot. This is awesome. Okay, so we have Amber. And she's a star, so that means guys, we have a rare. We got 1 rare. That is so awesome. Dude, that is crazy. Okay, so let's see. So it says if we take the wand and we put it here, it's supposed to change their stomachs. What is that? A pot of gold. So the crystal ball has a pot of gold in it. Guys, it has a pot of gold on the crystal ball, right? As you guys can kind of see. And the pot of gold means fortune. That is insane. And it's a rare. That is mind-blowing, guys. Okay, well... that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and make sure you comment below if you want to see more of these type of videos. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.